Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog for today. This week's vlog is going to be super short because I'm just going to update you. I don't have a lot of footage. Mom hasn't had very much therapy because she has another UTI and it hit on Tuesday when I was gone, of course. Actually, I didn't notice it until Wednesday morning. I kind of started to notice it a little bit, but I wasn't sure what it was on Tuesday night. But Wednesday morning it was very evident, so we did an emergency run to the pharmacy, got some antibiotics. She's been on them, but she had, sorry, my nose is running. She had 2 therapy sessions set for Wednesday, which I did cancel because that was when she was the worst. She had physical therapy and speech therapy, but speech therapy is speech and memory and all that stuff, and those things were not working. So I canceled those, and I've just let her take it easy and really haven't done much because it was a huge setback. Oh, and Monday was so good. I was so excited. She's been feeding herself completely, and I set up a little table that's kind of behind her chair in the living room over by the window, and that's where we do our you know, flashcards and stuff, and she writes on that little Etch-a-Sketch type board, and her signature was awesome. She did one of those. She did the flashcards she did really good on. I bought her a memory game when I went on Tuesday, but then she, you know, we haven't used it yet because she's not ready for that yet. Actually, I think I'm gonna start it like today or tomorrow. I know I need to start filming more, but who knew? Now I know that you gotta film every day because you never know what's gonna happen the next day. I'm so upset that I didn't get the Monday, but it was just me and her, and so I let her eat her food, and then I decided, you know, you're doing so well, I'm gonna let you walk from there, from the table, because she sits at that table in her wheelchair, and I said, I'm gonna let you walk with the walker from there to your chair that you sit in when you watch TV every day. And that way you'll get, that's your physical therapy from me on the, you know, on the days that you don't get physical therapy. So, and I told her, I'm not gonna help you. I'm going to put the belt on and I'm going to be there. I'm not gonna let you fall, but I'm gonna let you do the walking. And she did so well. I mean, she did pretty much, I just had my fingers on the belt. She would lean a little and I would just say, you're leaning, you're gonna fall. Which of course I wouldn't let her fall, but she doesn't seem to be able to feel it so much when she leans. And so, but she did. She corrected herself whenever I'd say you're leaning. I'm like, you need to lean all the way over on the good foot. Kick that foot forward. Now she wasn't lifting it too high, so she was still needing, we were gonna work on that, but she did so good. I just said, just kick that foot forward and then take a quick step with your good foot, like you're limping, like it hurts or something, even though it doesn't. And she did that, and she pretty much did it all the way there by herself. She didn't do too good on the sitting down in the chair. She didn't reach back and look. By the time she got there, she was tired, and she just, you know, I helped her sit down, because she didn't go far enough and then turn. She went past and then she just turned her butt, but she didn't turn the walker. But that would have came because that was the first time she'd done it. So I'm hoping that by next Wednesday, she'll have been on the antibiotics for a week. So by next Wednesday, I'm hoping we're at least close to where we were on Monday. And her voice was completely good. It wasn't loud, but it wasn't a whisper. It was a voice all the time. So we were so good, and now we are like not. But these are the slowest antibiotics I've ever seen. It's like, I remember when my kids were little and I would get amoxicillin from the doctor and they'd have an ear infection or something. The first dose, they would feel better. Not these. These ones, 2 days in maybe, she starts to get a little clearer. So yesterday afternoon she started getting clearer, but she had therapy yesterday, and I'll show, it'll be in the video. And I thought she was a lot better, but then once she started doing the therapy, she basically Brittany would have her do something and say do 12 of them, and she could do like 5 before she would be like, oh. And we tried to have her walk, and she just went like halfway, and then she couldn't go any further, and we had to put her back because she couldn't walk back. That's just how bad the UTIs zap her. Anyways, that's where we are with her. And then you'll see my Tuesday trip video, and it was, I got my hair done, I got my nails done, that went all good, and then I went to Ulta and Sephora and got nothing. There was nothing. Everything I wanted, they didn't have. Either they were out of it at Sephora, they were out of it, or they didn't carry it. I just live in a bad place that doesn't, I mean, my Sephora is inside JCPenney's, and that's it. So they don't ever get the good stuff. And my Ulta is just, it's Missouri, and I just don't get the good stuff. So, anyways, when I went to Ulta, I had already ordered an order on Ulta, which I got, but not before Tuesday. And in the order, I ordered this new LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, and I ordered 2 colors. But I ordered the lightest color, and then the next 2 were sold out. So, and then the next one, which is, I don't know where the colors are on here. I don't see a color. Oh, wait. This one is natural. That was like the 4th color. And then this one is ivory. So I ordered these 2. And then when I got to Ulta, they had a bunch of them. So I was looking at the colors, and I decided that these might be really light. So I got this one, which is light tan. No, it is so dark. So don't be fooled by these frosted glass things, because this one will definitely be going back. I can't wear it. And these will be, we're going to try these out for our Hot Flash Monday. I also got in the mail. I'm showing you what I got in the mail, because I got this was the only thing I bought on Tuesday. So in the mail, in my Ulta order, I got those 2 LA Girls that we'll be trying on Monday. And then I got the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It'll be our Wednesday video. And it looks really, really awesome. I will show it to you if I can get the box open. There we go. I don't know why I didn't take it out of the box. Anyway. I'm sure you guys have seen it. Anyways, this is what we'll be trying on Wednesday. I'm just gonna swatch what these glitters, because they look awesome. Oh, they feel so buttery. And then these are the satins, it looks like. Lots of gold. I don't know if you can see it, I'm pretty far away. They look beautiful. Anyways, that's going to be the Wednesday video. And then I also got this Morphe brush. It is the Morphe M501, and it is a pro pointed blending brush. And I got it not for my eyes because it's rather large. I got it for my highlight. It's so nice and soft and precise. It's a little bit firm, but it'll just do a great job. I know it will. And that is all I got in my Ulta order, because I just haven't seen things, especially new things, that look like we would like them or look different. Basically, I'm looking for stuff that looks different. I'm tired of spending money, tons of money, on stuff that I really already have in another palette. So anyways, but I didn't get the Prism palette, and I didn't get the Subculture palette, and I really like the Modern Renaissance palette. So I thought I would try this one, because these colors just, they look like my kind of colors. Lots and lots of warm tones. Lots of gold, it looks like. And another thing I ordered is Tati's new Halo Beauty supplement. the booster, hair, skin, nails booster from Halo Beauty. I've only been taking it for 4 days. I got it Tuesday. I took it Tuesday night. I've been taking it at night. I know she said take it in the morning, but I couldn't wait. And so I took it Tuesday night, and then I've just been taking it at night since that's when I started it. And I can already see a difference. It seems to be working. I know it's too early to see a difference, but I think it did. I think I can see a difference. I will keep you informed because I bought it just to support her. Well, plus the fact that if it works, hey, it's perfect. Especially for my skin, because it's got a lot of collagen and stuff in it, and I would love to have my skin, all of my skin, not just my face, because you know my skincare routine on my face. My body doesn't get that kind of attention. I take a shower and I put bum cream on. That's the rest of my body gets. So if this works, and I feel like it's working on my face, I haven't really paid attention everywhere else, but you know, skin is your biggest organ on your body, so I need some help, and I think it's gonna work. But I'm not telling you guys to go out and buy it yet. It's way too early for me to know actually if it works. I just wanted to support Tati, and I think it's working. Okay, anyways, enough about that. So that's it for the update on Mom and the stuff I got on Tuesday. So I will let you go with the rest of the video, and then I will go get dressed. This is my jammies. I'll go get dressed and record an outro after I edit the rest. See you later. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and we are off to get my hair done. I am running late and my windshield is covered in ice. Yep, so I can't leave. I've got the defrosters on and no spray. Oh, there it is. Yay. We're out of here. Gotta get my hair and nails done, so I am in a big hurry. Okay guys, I have got my hair done. And now we are off to get my nails done, because right now this nail is lifted and it's getting caught in my hair every time I move. So we're off to get my nails done, and then of course we have to go shopping. Hey guys, it's Wednesday, and yes, yesterday was my day to go to town, but doing an emergency run to the pharmacy to pick up the antibiotics that I didn't want yesterday, because I didn't want my mom to have to take a 3rd round of antibiotics. I thought that was crazy because she was so much better, and I just thought that a 3rd round, you know, it's just like you get an immunity to, anyways, yeah, because she was fine, she was doing great, and I thought, we're on cranberries, we're on asparagus, we're good, we're not gonna need those antibiotics, because it's a 3-week round of the same one that didn't work when she did it for 10 days. I don't know, it just seemed wrong to make her do it, because I know you build up an immunity, and she actually, before she came to live with me, she lived with my sister for 18 months, and she had, I think they said 3 or 4 UTIs during that time, so I'm sure they were giving her antibiotics then. So I thought, well, this is crazy. She's just gotten immune, or is going to get immune to the antibiotics if we keep giving them to her. So I thought, if I can cure it and keep it at bay with, you know, food and supplements, that's what I'm going to do. And yesterday she seemed fine. And today, boom, she is down. And it was like, it was overnight. Last night she was okay. She always is not as good at night as she is in the mornings. But she had no signs of the UTI, of the weakness, of the fogginess. So, and this morning when I got her up to go to the bathroom, I could tell it was back with a vengeance. And just yesterday, I picked up her prescriptions, and there was an antibiotic in it, and I told them, no, I don't need the antibiotic. I'm so stupid. Now I have to drive back and get it, and it's 30 plus minutes away. I should have just gotten it and then not used it if I didn't need it. But I didn't. Live and learn, right? Hindsight's 120. Anyways, we're on our way to the pharmacy to pick up that antibiotic. And actually, she will get it at the same time she would have got it if I'd have picked it up yesterday, because I wouldn't have started giving it to her till this morning anyways, and as soon as I get back, I'm going to start giving it to her. So anyways, that's just a little update. We're back down with the UTI. Hopefully it won't take us long to come back because we're catching it quick. Okay, so this was Friday, and this is, see how she's leaning to the side so much? Brittany was telling her to lift her leg up and to lean the other way, and she just couldn't do it. This is what the UTI did to her. It's so bad, and it takes so long to come back from it. So I just thought I would voice over this because basically I just wanted you guys to see how rough it got, and how this is where we stopped. This is how far from the wheelchair she was. We had to get the wheelchair, let her sit down, and then take her back to her chair because she just couldn't do anymore right there. You can see she can barely stand up, and we're telling her, lean the other way, and she's not doing it. Now we took her back to her chair and decided we could just do some exercises, but she's telling her to pull her foot back, and she's just, her brain is foggy, so she's not understanding see how she's saying, she shows her how to do it. Now she'll do it a couple times once she's shown her how, but she couldn't get that, where she'd say, pull your foot back every time, pull your foot back. And she said something there, I don't know what it was. And so we're trying it again, lifting it up and pulling. See, she finally got it, and she did 3 or 4 of them right, and then she forgot and didn't understand what we were telling her, and so then she started doing the other foot. And see, the other foot's fine. That's the good foot though, so it, it usually does, but they always work it too. And then now she's doing some other exercises. She's not having any occupational therapy this week because this is the week when the director is on vacation, so the recert didn't go through until next week. And then she'll start that again. So Brittany decided, since she was too tired to do the physical therapy, she'd just have her do a few of those exercises, which is ones that usually the occupational therapy has her do, the arm ones. And you'll see she's supposed to do 12 of them, and she probably does about 5, and then she just can't do anymore. She just gives up. And she didn't do that before. She didn't give up. She would do whatever she was asked. Okay guys, that is it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got all the updates that you needed, and I will see you in next week's vlog, and I'll try and get a lot more footage of Mom than I did this week. But stay cool.